In this video, we will discuss about green skills. Green skill teaches us about the environment, the ways to protect it, and the ways to adapt sustainable methods for our development. Green skill is the knowledge, abilities, values, and attitudes needed to live in, develop, and support a sustainable and resource efficient society. Green skills will be needed by all sectors and at all levels in the workforce. The clean energy sector has the potential to deliver on both environmental and economic objectives of the green economy. Clean energy's long-term benefits improve energy security and environmental and public health. Ecosystem: all the living organisms in a particular area and the non-living environment with which the organisms interact, such as air, minerals, soil, water, and sunlight, together form an ecosystem. Food chain: this is a cycle in nature where food is produced by green plants. Plants are consumed by plant-eating animals, herbivores. Herbivores may get eaten by flesh-eating animals, carnivores. Dead plants and animals are decomposed by decomposers into the soil, which in turn feeds plant. Sustainable development: sustainable means what is good for the economy as well as the future of the environment. For example, natural farming without using chemical fertilizers which permanently harm the soil. Sustainable development is the organizing principle for meeting human development goals while simultaneously sustaining the ability of natural systems to provide the natural resources and ecosystem services on which the economy and society depends. Sectors of green economy: a green economy is one which promotes development while making sure that the environment is protected. The term green economy was first coined in a 1989 report for the government of United Kingdom by a group of leading environmental economists titled Blueprint for a Green Economy. Every economy has many sectors. A sector can be described as a part or a function of the economy. To make the economy green or environmental friendly, there are some sectors where major changes can be made. Important sectors of green economy: agriculture. Agriculture refers to growing crops for our food. It is the largest part of our economy and the most important because it provides us with food. Agriculture may harm the environment by overusing land resources, cutting forests, and polluting air, water, and land by using harmful chemical fertilizers and pesticides. We need to support local, organic, and natural farming, grow our own vegetables if possible, eat in season and locally produced food. Energy resources: we use energy for all our daily functions, but our demand is increasing day by day. The common energy resources such as oil, coal, gas, etc. are harmful to health and environment. They are also limited and non-renewable. We need to select clean, renewable energy sources like solar lights whenever possible. Avoid wasting electricity. Turn off lights and unplug appliances when you are not using them. Avoid cars and use cycles or public transport. Construction: energy efficient or green buildings save electricity and water and use clean energy like solar and wind energy. We need to use cleaner energy in our buildings and avoid wastage of energy. We should talk to people about the advantages of using local construction materials. If a large-scale construction project is causing pollution, we should inform the local authorities about them. Fisheries: we can avoid the problems of overfishing by telling people about the sustainable fishing practices which control fishing and provide enough time for fish to breed and multiply. If you eat fish, buy only those which are plentifully available and also in season. Forestry: sustainably managed forests can continue to support communities and ecosystems without damaging the environment and climate. Reduce, reuse, and recycle paper so that fewer trees are cut. Avoid buying products such as ivory, which we can get only by harming animals. Buy only those products which are collected safely, such as honey collected without breaking beehives. Tourism. While traveling, travel in groups, limit water and energy use, and avoid wastage. There are hotels and travel companies which support ecotourism. Find out more about them and tell people about how to travel without harming the environment. Transport. Use public transport like buses or trains. Walk or cycle when possible. Use electric vehicles if possible. Water management. Use water wisely. Turn off the tap when you are not using it. Get leaking tap and pipes fixed immediately. Don't let polluted water flow back to the land or water source before it gets a wastewater treatment. Waste management. Reduce, reuse, and recycle before throwing away things. Separate the waste substances so that the some products can be recycled and food waste can be composted. Manufacturing industry. Industry make items according to what customers prefer to buy. If we buy green or environmental friendly products, more industries will start making such products. Policies for a green economy. National Action Plan on Climate Change NAPCC. Green India Mission GIM Jawaharlal Nehru National Solar Mission, also known as the National Solar Mission. Setting up the National Green Tribunal NGT. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan SBA or Swachh Bharat Mission SBM or Clean India Mission. Stakeholders in green economy. Government and local authorities make and implement sustainable development laws, policies, strategies, standards, programs, agreement with the help of other countries and actions. Non-governmental. Many individual social workers and NGOs help the government and society in implementing actions required for a green economy. Business and industry. The success of green economy depends on the active participation of both public and the private sectors. Companies need to follow responsible business practices and protect the environment. Farmers produce food and agricultural products for the whole country. They are one of the most important parts of the economy and society. They have a big role in the success of a green economy. Women form one half of the population and have a big role in household societies and the economy. Sustainable development is possible only if we focus on women's rights, making them participate fully in a green economy. Workers and trade unions. The workers are a very important part of our economy. Green policies aim at providing them a decent life and decent work in a healthy environment, access to health, water and sanitation, access to education and skill training. Native tribes. Native or indigenous people are the original residents of religion who still follow their ancient lifestyle. The green economy can benefit many such tribes in the hills and forests of India. Scientific and technological. All areas of sustainable development need science and technology. Scientists can explain problems of technology to governments and policymakers. They can also provide sustainable solutions to improve people's life. Children and youth. They are both the present and the future of our economy. They can participate actively in the protection of environment and promotion of economic and social development. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change launched full-fledged green skill development program. It aims to train over 5.5 lakh workers in environment and forest sectors in our country through 30 courses by 2021 for sustainable conservation and management of natural resources.